Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Windows 10 DNS to make your website load faster. So first of all, I will show you the best DNS available on Google which you should use as your DNS. So first you will open Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, you have to go to the search bar and type there Google DNS. After you type Google DNS, you can see here that there is a DNS mentioned by Google. Here you can see one user did a speed test and changed the DNS setting. They found that Google domain name system server set to the Google DNS was 10.3 faster than the default server. So I will tell you how you can change it in your setting. In your taskbar, you will see Wi-Fi icon. You have to right click on it. You have to click on network and internet settings. After click on network and internet setting, here you will see advanced network setting option. You have to click on it. Then you have to scroll down and you will see more network adapter options. You have to click on it. Then this window will appear. You have to go to your Wi-Fi and right click on it and go to its properties. After you click on properties, you will see a pop-up window. Here you will find a internet protocol version option. You have to click on it and then click on properties. Then this window will appear to you. You have to click on the use the following DNS server address option. Then you have to type the preferred DNS server that you know, or else you can type as I am typing that DNS server I have took from Google Chrome. After typing this DNS server, you have to press OK. You will click on OK here. Then you have to close this window. Then you will also close this. Now your DNS in Windows 10 is changed. Now your site will run more faster. You can try it. Thank you for watching this video.